So we've had another question in from the chat. So a young person would like to know, how can a young person from a BAME background, Black, Asian or minority ethnic background, know if they have been a victim of hate crime?
In a sense, it's in the eye of the beholder. If that person, whatever their background or whatever their protected characteristics are, if they feel that they're being abused or threatened or feel frightened, and it's because of their difference from the other person, then that may be a hate crime. It might not actually be a crime, but it's certainly a hate incident at least. So really, if they feel that they are being picked on, selected for special treatment because of their difference to the other person, then that is something that they should report.
And Gwent Police is absolutely striving to become an anti-racist organisation. But what that means is that we've got to challenge each other, challenge the organisation around something called bias, and often unconscious bias that is used. And so that's really important, is healthy challenge. So I'm constantly linking in with Black and Asian and minority ethnic members of our community and asking for advice so that we check and test what we're doing. Now, of course, some members of our community are suspicious or don't have confidence in policing. And generally, some of our Black and Asian colleagues don't have confidence in policing. And I'm trying to do everything I can to reduce that gap by recruiting people from BME backgrounds to come into policing, to challenge us and to help us build bridges with communities that perhaps are a little bit concerned about us. So, to be an anti-racist Wales, we need people to speak out. So if people feel that they're being targeted or the behaviour is unacceptable, it's all about having those go-to people again, your teachers, your friends, your family, or a police officer, somebody in education that you can go to and say, I don't like this.